So you've got code P0504 and you've Googled it and you found this. Well, here's a story of a car I bought a couple days ago. Got a super hot deal, at least I thought it was. It was about $2,000 less than what it should be. When I asked the seller, is there any issues with the car? Does everything work? The power doors, power windows, headlights, taillights, etc. He said, yep, everything's tip-top. I said, great. Made an offer. It was a few hundred less than what he was asking, and we were good to go. Later that night, when I'm driving the car home from work, I realized I have no brake lights. None whatsoever. When I got home, I ran my scan tool through it. I got code P0504 and a couple wheel speed sensor codes. Thought, not a big deal. This is just a brake light switch. Brake light switches fail often. They get burnt out, and I found out mine was literally burnt out. Nearly set the whole car on fire. Code P0504 is a common code. Replacement parts are 10 to 20 bucks on Amazon. When I went to remove the brake switch from my car, I found that the wires have been burnt right from the switch all the way to the distribution block. So I'm on my way to the auto wreckers, hopefully find a new switch and a complete wiring harness. This junkyard's got the choice of any vehicle. And their vehicle of choice is a Toyota Echo. It says here, yard car, stay out. It's actually in nice shape. I think I see what I'm after. Hope nobody died in this car. What do we have here? There is my brake switch and harness. Nice. So here's a donor harness. I'm going to try to harvest as much wire as I can because mine is completely burnt. I wonder what they're going to charge. So I'm back home, taking apart my dashboard and removed the burnt switch and wires. I reconnected new wires to the distribution block. Just testing the connection with Moretz. So here's the burnt switch and harness. There's absolutely no plastic left on these wires. They're bare wires, they're burnt, some of them broke right off. This is a fire trap waiting to happen. Just splicing in the new switch, new donor harness. You know, guys, if I didn't have a little bit of electrical background, not afraid to try something like this, I'm sure a dealership would have charged anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to do this. Probably more. It took me 3 hours to strip my dashboard apart, find the pieces, diagnose what was wrong, and materials. I'm sure a dealership would be in the thousands to fix this. And I'm quite sure that's why the seller of the car was so cheap. I just wish he would be honest with me. When I asked him, is there any issues with the car? Does everything work? I asked him specifically, do the lights and turn signals work? And he told me yes. Oddly enough, when I tried to contact him again, he's disappeared. But live and learn. There's a lesson for myself to be more diligent when I am buying cars. So after a $5 part and 2.5 hours, I think I've got it fixed. test wiring. Got my new switch. And it works. Thank God. Well, I hope this was useful to you, diagnosing a P0504. Hopefully it's just the switch if you run into this trouble code and not the entire system burnt out. Please hit like and subscribe.